Now let's repair this really large gash in the wood. Current materials on the market require our epoxy 2-part systems. You have to mix together and have about 3 hours before it sets. Which you'll see here, we'll have it done in seconds. I'm using here what's called an embossing powder heat gun, but a regular industrial heat gun works extremely well. It's also possible to use a laundry iron. If you just put some aluminum foil on, it'll keep your laundry iron from getting dirty. It gets very hot at over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, but once it cures and cools down, then it's completely safe to handle. Now we're ready for sanding. Well, you can see there's a little bit of hole developed. We can just apply some extra, and it bonds to itself extremely well.